Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Yep, your girl is barefaced. She's got her ice cream scoops in. That can only mean one thing. Ice Cream Beauty, you guys. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, my loves, I will put all the info for Ice Cream Beauty right there. Yes, I will always have my ice cream scoops in. I absolutely love these little things. And they go perfect with my purple hair, which I love so very much, you guys. I love it so much. Let's get into Ice Cream Beauty. $24.99 a month. They always have their little card with everything in it. Let's get out the handy-dandy glasses so your girl can actually see what we're getting. And then, as usual, what I've been doing is doing a makeup look with the products after I show them to you guys. All right, first thing we got is school is in session. Yeah, another one. So Ipsy also done a work, life, school type of thing. I like this little theme going on. Cute little card, as always. Let's figure out what we got. Okay, we just got little popcorns. Nothing to spell anything with this time. First thing I'm opening up here is Basic Beauty. This is a bougie wine tasting blush palette for $30. This seems rather small to be a $30 palette, y'all. Here she is. Very sleek, light pink packaging. Okay, and there's 3 blushes in here. Take the color saver off. Here they are. Y'all, these seem like they're going to be very deep, rich colors. We're going to go ahead and swatch them so we'll know if we can play in them or not. All 3. Ooh, look at those. Shimmery. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3. So the orangey one come off a little bit patchy, so we're going to go in again. Here they are. Very gorgeous. Okay, it's backwards. This is orange, this is the middle, and here is our last one. Very pretty colors. Y'all, these seem quite vibrant. They might be gorgeous little eyeshadows. Quite vibrant for me, so we're probably not going to be using it. We'll go ahead and put her back in the package, and if I sell it or whatever, of course, I'll put on there it has been swatched. Which, y'all, unfortunately, have not got that Facebook page up yet. As y'all know, we have been going through it. Let's get out the makeup eraser I forgot to put in my lap. Let's get into the next thing here. We have a little blue palette. A lot of palettes in this box. What's this? Bella Pierre Ultra Glow. Woo! Highlighting and bronzing palette. Color saver. Okay, now this one is nice. I can work with this. Those fingers are clean. This one is for $29. We'll go ahead and do the swatchies. Ooh, I like these. Okay, let's do it on the arm. Hopefully it's buildable. The highlighters are really beaming. And then there's the contour. We'll go ahead and try to get a little bit more on there, see if it's buildable. Okay, not so much. You guys can hardly see it. Maybe it'll be a little different because my face is lighter. But we'll definitely be giving this a try. Bella Pierre Ultra Glow Palette. $29, guys. What do we got here? Maya Couture Downtown 2-in-1 Oil Blotting Bronzing Papers. $18. What in the world? Okay, I don't have oily skin, thankfully. These are just oil papers, and I guess they're just tinted with a brown tone. And when you blot, maybe you can contour. Okay, I'm not going to be using this. This is for $18. There are a lot of sheets in here. 100 sheets, you guys. Okay, so another one we're not going to use. Okay, let's see what else we got. Let's get through the peanuts. Dang it, there's nothing to spell, no cute shapes. I always look forward to that a lot. we got a beautiful Ace Beauty palette. This is a Blossom Passion palette for 35 bucks. What are we gonna be playing in today, y'all? Take her out. Ooh, she's pretty. Very pretty. Color saver. Ooh, pinkies and neutrals. A very dark black. Okay, we can do this. Beautiful names. Gardenia would be our base shade. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mattes. So a 12-pan palette for 35 bucks. Nice. We'll go ahead and swatch. Let's do some bases and then let's do some shimmers to see what kind of look we're going to get going with this. I'll just check her. Ooh, it's very powdery. The mattes are very dry, but they're pigmented. Let's go on up here. Ooh, they are very pigmented, you guys. Look at that. That's quite pigmented. I was not expecting that. All right, loves, we got one more thing. I'll be right back. Okay, loves, one more thing. The Mirabella lip. Now, it seems like I've gotten this before in quite a few boxes, to be honest. Glow Addict, Ipsy. It's a Mirabella lip crayon for 20 bucks. Let's see if she's matte or anything like that. Velvet lip pencil. A very gorgeous shade. It's a dark red. Stay all day. Huh. Anything on the package? Creamy moisturizing lip pencil. Fluid-like texture. Glides on to create a flawless finish and intense, long-wearing color. Okay, we're going to go ahead and swatch her because it's long-wearing. Oh, she's gorgeous. She kind of crumbled a little bit. I may have pressed too hard. Oh, I love dark reds, as you all know. All right, guys, that's the end of the Eyescream Beauty box. And now your girl's going to go in and get some makeup done for you. And I'll speed through it for those that want to watch it. I'll see y'all in a second. Hey, guys, before we go into this look, first I want to apologize to Eyescream Beauty. I was trying to keep track of what was going to be in this month's box on Instagram. And as y'all know, a lot of things happening. And I kept getting the smaller bag mixed in with the actual box that you get because they have different levels of what you can purchase. So I was getting things mixed up. And anyways, I just want to apologize to them. Our total value for this box was $132, you guys. All right, loves, let's get into some makeup. our finished look. Loved the lip pencil. It is moisturizing, but it does dry down. Like, it doesn't dry completely, like non-transferable, but it does dry down and you don't have like the bleeding through your lip liner. I did use this lip liner here, you guys. It is Beauty Vault. Here it is. Here's the shade, you guys. It's so tiny we ain't gonna be able to tell you what the shade is, but it is the one that I used. It looks like it's C.A. Carmen, maybe. Here she is. On the lips, I did love this lip crayon, very much so. I put on my Violet Voss lashes. They are in the style, I just seen it, you guys. There it is. I don't care. Exactly. As far as this palette goes from Ace Beauty, you guys, I really, really, really liked it. I mean, look at these shades. Of course, I'll put the close-ups there and there, and then a final look in the middle for you guys. I really enjoyed this. This Bella Pierre highlighter and contour palette. Sorry, it says bronzing. The bronzer you can use for contour in any palette that you ever get, you guys. You can use bronzer for contour. Watch out, some of them do have shimmers in it. I went and used that for contouring. But for bronzing, of course, this did not have a shimmer in that bronzer right here. So I went ahead and used it for contour. As far as the highlighting goes, I only use this one. I loved it, you guys. I really did love it. That, again, was, where's it at? 29 bucks for these. I did like it. It's very travel friendly. This Ace Beauty palette. Love, love, love. Very much so. Lip crayon, as you all know, I loved. Total value for this Ice Cream Beauty box for September, guys. Again, $132. All right, my loves, as I've been repeatedly telling people, YouTube's doing away with the thumbs up and the thumbs down. It just isn't relevant anymore. And for those that give the thumbs down, they never give a reason why they do it. So YouTube's, see you later, alligators. All that matters now is our views. All right, my loves, I'm going to move on to our next video, which will be the update video on our live. A lot of stuff going on. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.